Audio Jungle.
So what business owners should do to show up? So you must do this. You need to perfect your Google business profile, every field. Add photos, post regularly, build out your enhanced listing on that site. Keep the listings accurate everywhere. So name, address, phone number, hours, business description. Get more and better reviews and respond to all of them. Add that structured data. So to your site for like services, locations, certifications, reviews, and then FAQs. Answer any customer questions online on your website, social sites, review responses, and then use those high quality visuals. So interior shots, product photos, team photos, AI might actually pull them. So that's important to get that, high quality photos up. This is the should do, post timely content. So consistently work on posting announcements. Maybe you have events sometimes. I know there's a lot of like different community events that you have. I don't know if maybe you have free laundry day or whatever it might be. That's important. Publish helpful, factual blogs or FAQs that directly answer customer queries. So, if a customer is asking a question, the FAQs on a website, which we do with our Optima websites, what's helpful is it's helping you show up in the AI results because those are common questions that somebody asks. So for example, you might have somebody ask like, how does drop off delivery service work? Like you want to answer that so that way the AI sees it, because I bet you some other customer is going to ask that question and it's going to help you because you have more detailed answer to it. Stay active on relevant social platforms. Posts and videos may also surface in the AI summaries.